Hey, this is Salim Romero again. And right now we are going to install RStudio and the dependency Rtools. So the first thing we're gonna do is look for install RStudio. So you're gonna look for it. The first one, RStudio Desktop. And this is tricky. So you have to do first this and then the second. The thing is that this is the R binary and this is the IDE for R. So we're gonna install first this and we're gonna look for download R for Windows and we're gonna get the base download for Windows 4.51. That should be good enough. It's gonna pop up here. Then we install it as soon as possible. Just hit yes, yes, next. That's gonna be the location. Programming files are 4.5.1. That's the one we have to point out for MATLAB as well. So we next, sure, and next. It's gonna install. After it finishes, we can install the Rtools. Meanwhile, I'm gonna look for it. So now we look for Rtools download, and then this has to pop up Rtools, and we're gonna get the 4.5. And here we're gonna hit on this. Might be installed in here. It's not ARM. Don't do that one. Utilize this one. So we click on it, and I think this could take a little more time. Yeah, maybe. So right now we finish the R installation. While we are getting the Rtools, we're gonna go back into the RStudio IDE and we hit on download and should come up. Okay, it's getting it and has to be this one. So in this order, we're gonna install first the Studio IDE. So just to recap, first install R, and second you can install the RStudio, and then you install the Rtools for 4.5, compatible for the 4.5.1. So we're gonna look for the RStudio. We just let it finish some few seconds while it opens. There you go. Yes. Next. That's gonna be the RStudio location now, and we'll let it run. Meanwhile, we go back to downloads and we get the installation of the Rtools as well. Let it be for a few seconds. Yes, it's gonna take some time. We have 2 installations in the back. I recommend letting the RStudio first and then we do the Rtools. I'm gonna stop the video for now while it finishes. Well, after it finishes, this is the RStudio. We hit on finish and then we do the Rtools. Next, and install. It's gonna take time, so I'm gonna stop the video again and let it finish. All right, it's finished. So we just finish and look for RStudio. We open that boy. It's gonna look like this. And here's one thing we have to look for, just to be sure. Profile and open profile. Oh, no, not that. Wait me just a second. All right. Yes, so it seems what we need to do is first install DevTools, install package DevTools, and after it's installed, we load it. So we're gonna give it some few minutes. oh, in the back, so we said yes, so it can install all these packages. I'm gonna stop it. Well, it took some time, but it finished. Remember, it was install packages DevTools. If you hit it again, it should say, oh, it's already downloaded and installed. Now, what we're gonna do is load that library, then quotes DevTools, and it's loaded. And after it, we're gonna do the next line, DevTools, double colon, and then we hit into find our tools, and we enter, and true. So it already identified where the RTools is, and we are good to go. So right now we can install any R package that we might find. And the last step here, it's gonna be to sync it to the toolbox. So we type again scGEAToolbox, and it's gonna pop up again. And now we're gonna hit in external and set up our environment. Our environment has not been set up, so you wanna get it. And luckily it finds it, and we just go into our script. I think, I'm not so sure. We can fix it anytime. So we do that, and it says it's successfully. If that's so, in theory, I can have data and Serat functions. I need to have a data loaded. So what I'm gonna do, it's load a simple example for R, then load example. I'm gonna grab the process, and what I'm gonna do here, external, and I'm gonna run UMAP embedding TSNE. So I'm gonna hit yes, use temporary folder, and which run RSerat, yes. So we want 2D. Let's see how that goes. And here in the back, you're gonna see that is installing packages, and it might take time because it's the first time getting all the packages to run this pipeline. Very likely it's gonna install Serat and some other packages, GTools, Dplar, and so far. Meanwhile, I'm gonna just stop it and wait for the pipeline to finish. Okay, at this stage is computing the UMAP and all the required for getting the UMAP from R. And this is it. This is how it looks. So we can hit into UMAP, use existing, yes, and we can do the UMAP 2D. And that's the representation coming from R. We are good to go. We have set up the R environment and ready to use anything from external, all the R. And in the previous video, we showed the Python, which I'm not working it here right now, but it should be able to run it. And that's it for this video, and thank you for watching, and hope that it helps you to understand things later and make your life easier, because setting up the environments, it can be painful. And that's it for me. Have a good one. Bye-bye.